Hello and thanks for watching Gary Teaches Maths. I'm currently going through the Edexcel 2018 Higher Tier Paper 2, which is the calculator paper, and we're on question 11, which is a question about functions. So we can see that we're given two functions here, f of x equals 2 over x squared and g of x equals 4x cubed. So first of all, we're being asked to find f of minus 5. All that means is that we're replacing the x in the function by negative 5. So we can say, right, well, f of negative 5 is equal to, and then we just take this function here, 2 over x squared, and wherever we see the x, we'll just replace it by the number that we're told it is, in this case, negative 5. So it becomes 2 over negative 5, and then that's all squared. The pitfall on this question being that you put the minus outside the bracket and then you get a negative number, when in fact, because we're squaring a negative number, we're going to end up with a positive answer. So that will become 2 over 25, and we could leave it like that. That would be perfectly fine. So that's part A. If we look at part B, we've got to find what's called a compound or composite function. So we're finding f of g of 1. The first thing to do would be to find f of g of x. So try and get the compound function. So what we would do, we'd take the g function and we would replace it into the f of x function. So the 4x cubed there replaces the x in the f of x one. So what we end up with is we end up with 2 over, we could write a big bracket where we see the x in the f of x function, and in it, instead of writing x, write 4x cubed, and then we can put the squared on the outside. So that's our compound function, but just in terms of x. And just to make it slightly tidier, we can deal with this squared outside the bracket. So what we get is 2 and then 4 squared x, and when we've got a power outside bracket and power inside, we actually multiply, so that becomes x to the 6, which if we tidy up a little bit more, becomes 2 over 16 x to the 6, which will become 1 over 8 x to the 6. Then when we want to find f of g of 1, what we can do is, as before, simply replace the x in this function here by the value 1. So what we get is 1 over 8 times 1 to the power 6. And because 1 to any power is still 1, that's just going to become 1 over 8 times 1, which is 1 over 8. And we've done it. That's our final answer there. I hope that's been of help to you. If it has, please like our video and subscribe to our channel, Gary Teaches Maths. And for more help, if you want to look at our website, which is bestmathstutors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.